Hello everyone, my name is Finn, and this is my final presentation on creating data visuals from a data set. So first we have Miami University's first year versus undergraduate student required fees, room, and board for the years 2021 and 2022. You can see that first year and undergraduates differ slightly, with undergraduates being a little bit cheaper in every single category. This is because Miami will lock in the price for undergraduates, but they will raise the price for incoming freshmen to keep up with inflation or other service costs that they might have. So the first graph is for Miami University based off that data set. And in this, you can see the graph with the title and referencing the 2021-2022 in-state tuition for fees, room and board, and tuition. You can see it's a stacked bar chart with tuition in purple, room and board in green, and fees in blue. And this graph clearly lays out all the cost for all three categories, telling you how much of your money is going where. Next, we have Ball State's data set for their first year versus undergraduate student required fees, room and board. This was an interesting one because I chose schools in the MAC. I chose Western Michigan, Ball State, and Miami. And for them, their fees and their tuition and their room and board did not change at all. It all stayed the same, which I didn't even realize was a thing. I thought most schools, if not every school, would raise their tuition every year to adjust for inflation or whatever the reason may be. But as we can see here, in 2021 to 2022, Ball State's prices did not change at all. Again, following the same format as the last graph, you can see that I laid out all three examples with fees, room and board, and tuition. Again, I kept the same colors for each, with room and board in green, tuition in pink, and fees in blue. And we can once again see how much a Ball State freshman versus a Ball State undergraduate student who is not a freshman are paying yearly in the years 2021 to 2022. Now we have Western Michigan's first year versus undergraduate student required fees, room and board. Again, this, just like Ball State, their data set does not change for freshmen versus undergraduates. We can see that fees are $100 for freshmen and undergraduate. First year students are paying about $11,000 for room and board, and undergraduate students are also paying about $11,000 for room and board. Their tuition is also the same, and there's no fluctuation between the two. And once again, following the same pattern with the same color coordination, we can see that the fees are $100, room and board is $11,102, and tuition for these students is $13,850, staying the exact same. And these are my sources.